Amaranth, nutrient-rich goodness and heart support. Amaranth is a nutritious grain which has been grown since the beginning of time. It is renowned for its flexibility and advantages for health. Amaranth is becoming a popular superfood within the contemporary diet. Due to its nutritional benefits and heart-healthy properties, it is worth having as an essential part of your daily diet. What is amaranth? Amaranth is scientifically referred to as Amaranthus, is one of the groups of plants native to Central and South America. In spite of its lengthy time in cultivation, the amaranth is only now getting attention due to its health benefits. Amaranth is a small grain and round with the same texture as the quinoa. The grain comes in a variety of shades, such as red, gold, and purple. Nutritional profile. One of the main factors that make amaranth stand out as a powerful nutritional source is the impressive nutritional list. Amaranth is abundant in fiber, protein, as well as essential minerals and vitamins. Amaranth is especially high in lysine, an important amino acid which is usually absent in other grains. Also, it contains calcium, potassium, iron, as well as magnesium. These are essential for maintaining general well-being. Heart support. Heart disease is among the most prevalent cause of death in the world, and it's therefore vital to focus on heart health. Amaranth is a great part in maintaining the heart health due to its nutritional composition. First, its fiber content may help reduce cholesterol levels through reducing intake of cholesterol from dietary sources within the intestine. In turn, this could reduce the chance of developing heart-related ailments. Additionally, amaranth is excellent for antioxidants. Antioxidants can help fight inflammation as well as oxidative stress. These are both of which contribute to heart diseases. If you include amaranth into your diet, you will boost the intake of these healthy substances and reduce the chances of developing heart problems. Weight management. A healthy weight can be essential for general well-being, and amaranth is an excellent addition to any diet planned for weight loss. Because of its fiber content, it can increase feelings of fullness and decrease cravings for food. It can result in a decrease in calories consumed and could aid in the weight loss process or maintain weight efforts. Furthermore, amaranth is gluten-free, which makes it an ideal option for those who suffer from gluten-related sensitivities. Diets that are gluten-free have become more well-known in recent times, and amaranth is regarded as a great alternative to gluten-rich grains such as wheat. Digestive health. The high fiber content in amaranth is not just beneficial for the health of your heart and weight loss, as well as promotes healthful digestion. Fiber in your diet is vital to ensure regular bowel movements. It helps to prevent or ease constipation. If you include amaranth into your diet, you will aid in maintaining the health of your digestive system as well as reduce discomfort in the GI tract. Integrating amaranth in your diet. After you have learned about the numerous health benefits associated with amaranth, how to incorporate this nutritious grain in your daily diet. There are plenty of options to relish the goodness of amaranth. It is possible to cook it, make it an ingredient in salads, or even add it to stews and soups to add nutrition and texture. Amaranth flour is also utilized as a gluten-free substitute for baking bread or when making pancakes. Amaranth is a versatile ingredient that can be used in both savory as well as sweet recipes. Making different dishes as well as combining it with other healthy ingredients will provide you with innovative and tasty ways to include amaranth in your food. Conclusion. The nutrient-rich goodness of amaranth and its potential health benefits for the heart makes it an ideal supplement to a diet. Due to its protein-rich as well as fiber and minerals and vitamins, amaranth offers a variety of health advantages. If you include amaranth into your daily diet, you will help improve your heart health, control the weight of your body, improve digestion, and also enjoy an incredibly delicious and versatile food item. Why not try amaranth and discover its numerous benefits to you?